Hey everybody, this is Larry with your WTR Quick Rundown on Harry's Shave Club. Harry's Shave Club is a subscription-based razor and personal grooming service that has over 5 million subscribers worldwide. As well as razors and blades, the company offers a variety of cosmetics in full and trial sizes for one-off or regular deliveries. Harry's razors look great. The chunky retro style will really complement your bathroom, and customer reviews report high quality and long-lasting blades. Harry's own brand of cosmetics are also nicely packaged, and users particularly like the post-shave balm and mist. However, some reviewers have complained about difficulty shaving the areas close to the nose and sideburns because of the large size of the blade. Bottom line, Harry's delivers high-quality, good-looking razors, blades, and personal grooming products via a highly flexible and customizable delivery service. Please visit watchithreview.com for more in-depth reviews.